You've probably seen Switzerland's mountains in postcards, but here's the truth nobody tells you. Lucerne might just be the country's most perfect gateway. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how this lakeside city blends medieval charm, breathtaking scenery, and alpine adventures. So you'll know exactly what to do when you visit. And here's the kicker. Lucerne is compact enough to explore in a weekend, yet rich enough to keep you coming back. Let's dive into the must-see highlights. Start where history comes alive. Lucerne's Old Town is a maze of cobblestone streets, fresco-painted buildings, and squares that feel straight out of a storybook. Why it matters? This is where you'll feel the real soul of the city. Visit the vine-marked square and take in centuries-old architecture. Pro tip, go early in the morning to enjoy it without the crowds. Next up, Lucerne's icon, the Chapel Bridge. Built in the 14th century, it's Europe's oldest covered wooden bridge. Inside, look up. The triangular paintings show Swiss history and legends. The water tower beside it once served as a prison. If you want the perfect photo, cross just before sunset when the bridge glows with golden light. Now let's step outside the city streets. Lake Lucerne is one of Switzerland's most beautiful, shaped like a fjord with mountains rising from the water. You can stroll along the promenade, rent a paddle boat, or take a classic steamboat cruise. One tip, book the boat ride to Weggis or Witznau for stunning mountain views along the way. And this is where Lucerne becomes more than just a city. From here, you're at the doorstep of the Alps. Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi are the most popular day trips. Pilatus offers dramatic peaks reached by the world's steepest cogwheel railway, while Rigi is nicknamed the Queen of the Mountains with panoramic views. If you want adventure and scenery in one, don't skip this. Back in town, make time for something more reflective. The Lion Monument is a giant sculpture carved into rock, commemorating Swiss guards who died in 1792. Mark Twain called it the most mournful and moving piece of stone in the world. It's quiet, powerful, and a reminder that Lucerne is not only beautiful, but layered with history. And if you're traveling with family or just curious, the Swiss Museum of Transport is a surprise highlight. It's interactive with exhibitions on trains, planes, and automobiles, plus a planetarium. You'll discover Switzerland's role in connecting the world. It's not your typical museum. It's fun, hands-on, and one of the country's most visited. Finally, don't leave Lucerne without tasting Swiss traditions. Try rösti, fondue, or raclette in one of the lakeside restaurants. For dessert, grab Swiss chocolate from a local shop. If you're lucky to visit during Fasnacht, Lucerne's carnival, you'll see one of the wildest festivals in Switzerland. That's the magic of Lucerne, all in one trip. Lucerne is more than a stopover. It's a perfect mix of history, culture, and alpine adventure. Save this video so you can revisit these tips and share it with a friend who's planning a Swiss trip. And if you want more travel guides like this, subscribe and check out my next video right here.